The basic law. Alright, alam nyo, I guess all of you know this already, no? So we have the basic law of supply and demand, correct? Okay, on this side, left side, you have price here, and then you have quantity demanded, right? So as prices of commodities go higher and higher, okay, what happened to quantity demanded? Decrease. Correct? So, the price is high, therefore, quantity demanded becomes lower. Okay? Correct?
Yes.
Lower. Quantity demanded declines or decreases or constricts. Okay? As prices of goods, commodities, and services in the market decline or go low or decrease, alright? So, quantity demanded, bagsak ang presyo niya, nag-increase ang prices decline, therefore quantity demanded increase. Okay? Then, as prices of goods, commodities in the market decrease, so quantity demanded increase. So, increase. Correct?
Yes.
Tama?
Tama.
So, what have you noticed here? Okay? So, the relationship of price to quantity demanded, alright, is inversely proportional. No? When you say inversely proportional, okay, tumaas the price, kumonti yung demand. Bumagsak yung presyo, okay, dumami ang demand. Correct? Commonsensically speaking. Right? So, inversely, magkabaligtad siya. Opposite. Alright? So, inversely proportional. Okay? That is the demand curve. It means that the demand curve follows a downward, no? A downward sloping demand curve, no? So that is a downward sloping, pababa. Okay? Here, in the supply curve, So you have price here and then quantity supplied, no? So the higher the price, the more, no? The manufacturers and producers, they want more goods, services, and commodities out there in the market. They want to sell more because profit is high. Naturally, di ba? Because if prices of goods, commodities, and products in the market, okay, are high, naturally, no, the quantity supply, no, the more the manufacturers and producers would want to sell more of their products. Kasi malaki yung tutubuin nila. Correct? Oh, so this is the supply side, this is the price. So higher prices, so higher supply. Lower prices, bumagsak ang presyo, okay, pababa na naman yung kanyang supply. Kasi liliit yung tubo. Alright? Yung profit, yung sales, yung revenues, no? Parang hesitant silang maglabas ng product o mag-manufacture o mag-produce kasi maliit lang ang kikitain o tutubuin nila. Because the prices of these goods and commodities decrease or decline. Nakuha nyo? Okay? So, bagsak na naman si presyo, bagsak si price, kukunti na naman yung supply sa merkado. Bumagsak yung presyo, ay ayoko magbenta kasi walang masyadong tubo, walang masyadong profit. Bagsak na naman, gano'n, no? So, paliit ng paliit. Alright? Correct? So, what have you noticed here? So, prices of goods, commodities, and services in the market, okay, are directly proportional to quantity supplied. And the supply curve follows an upward sloping demand. Napansin nyo? Here, sa demand curve, no, it's inversely proportional. The higher the price, the lower the demand. The lower the price, the higher the demand. Of course, more customers and buyers would want to buy at the cheaper prices. Correct? Alright? And then here, no, quite the opposite. The higher the price of goods, commodities, and services in the market, the more supplies there are. No? The more the producers and manufacturers would want to sell out their product, no, in the market. Because revenue, sales, and because of profit, no? Because of higher prices, naturally, commonsensically, their profits will also increase. Nakuha ba yun? Did you get it? And as the prices of these commodities and products, okay, decline or decrease, no? So naturally, quantity supplied will also decrease. Okay? As a consequence, so the relationship of price to quantity supplied, alright, is directly proportional. Did you get it? So, this is the basic law of supply and demand. When you say law, you can no longer debunk that. You can no longer refute that. You can no longer question that. Okay? And it applies to those topics which have been reported by Group 2. It applies to international exchange. It applies to the stock market. It applies to central banks, monetary policy, fiscal policy. So the basic law of supply and demand applies to all, no, topics which were discussed by Group 2. Nakuha ba yun? Okay? No. So, yan lang.